In the video, I keep hitting the stop button instead of the pause button. I apologize for that. I don't have my tripod to keep it steady. I have to hold it in my hand. But I'm going to the top of that thing. I'm going to go the crater rim right along there, and then I'm going to go down into it, into the crater. Capulin Volcano. Should be there soon. And that pause button is so close to the stop button. I've had to start the video over 3 times. Might be memory. I'll clean it up in a minute. Getting a little closer. I wouldn't think I'd see any snakes out here. It's too cold. Look at the ground, all the volcanic rock. Yeah, let's get there. Let's back the other way. Back to the west. I'm walking north now, northeast. There's the sunshine. Beautiful sunrise. It's about 9 o'clock New Mexico time. All I have is my Skechers. Oh. Whew, it's rocky. It's rocky in some places. All that lava rock. Made it to the visitor center. And what a bummer it is. It's closed. It'll be open Friday through Sunday. That's 2 more days from now. Closed for road construction, and I asked if I could hike up there, and they said no. No hiking to the crater rim today, so I'm going to Fisher Peak.